So madam approve.
Yeah, done.
Oh yeah. Cool. Okay, my recording is started. Lovely.
Okay. So
Okay.
Okay, done. Start. I'm also
so host,
started.
please start.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm all ready. You can shoot the questions to me. So if I'm okay, I mean, if I know the answers, I'll definitely answer right now. Or if I'm not able to answer some questions, I'll be noting it down, and I'll
Okay.
be
Wow.
getting back to you. Yeah, that's the plan.
Yes.
तो ये बहुत awesome होने वाला है मतलब ये वाला session.
अरे वो तो डन डील है.
Okay.
And
So,
during this session, we invited selected guests from our diverse background. That's
Okay,
why
lovely.
you may have diverse question.
Awesome. Yeah.
yes.
Hmm.
So
Because everybody is curious about your life.
right.
Oh,
Hmm.
good.
So Ariti will begin with the first question right now.
Yes.
Oh, sure.
Yes. So आपके लाइफ का most challenging scene कौन सा था?
Most challenging. You mean to say, life's most challenging? या कोई shoot में जो challenging scene होता है ऐसा?
Shoot में.
You can answer both questions
yeah.
at the same time.
I'll say that for the shooting, the most challenging is yet to come.
Okay.
So that's what it's coming to my mind. Like, so I remember in one of the I was shooting with Mohanlal sir. I don't know whether you heard about Mr. Mohanlal.
Yes. He's legendary actor.
Film industry. So it was a shoot of a feature film called Karma Yodha, directed by Major Ravi, and it was being shot near Goregaon, near Mumbai. Okay. So I was acting as an underworld don, and I'm just wondering with my face. Yeah, ऐसा था, underworld don था. So it is like I was. It was a shot where which I'm walking with my group, and he with a sniper he shoots on my head. So that was his introduction scene, the hero's introduction scene. Okay, so it was raining heavy. It was all mud and slush on the road, and I still remember I was wearing my very nice. It was my costume because I was in a my starting time. So क्या होता है कि starting time में actors को बोल देते यार तुम्हारा एक कॉस्ट्यूम लेके क्या तुम्हारे लिए कुछ कॉस्ट्यूम कोई बनाएगा नहीं आपको खुद लेके जाना पड़ता है. So it's years back. So I went there and so they were supposed to have a blood balloon connected and it will be electronically connected to the action director's hand remotely, and with that they click it, there will be small burst happens and the blood burst. So that's how the scene is articulated.
Okay.
So I was so naive at that time. I didn't know that normally actors won't allow this particular blood balloon to be attached to the head. So they won't allow above the neck because it's strenuous, which I came to know later. I was so excited saying that हाँ कभी भी किधर भी लगा मुझे कोई tension नहीं. I'm so all yours. I'm an actor and I just wanted to prove myself and all. So it just so they were just thinking, what you can say, okay, this guy is pretty excited, he's a newcomer, he's ready to do anything, so just do it. Okay, so they connected here and I was having a lot of hair, so they were just taken that wire to the action director's assistant's hand, and so it's always like orchestrated, choreographed. I'll walk steps, there was a couple of dialogues, I'll just say that and he'll give a signal and I need to act accordingly, like I got shot on my head. Okay, time to go for the shot. Action, scene number 23, shot number 1, action. So I walked with my guys. I was talking on the dialogues, giving out the dialogues, and he said he has given me the cue. He clicked the button, and the explosion was so hard. Acting came out so naturally. मुझे एक्ट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं था because it was so hard. And it was quite disastrous. So I lost the hearing of 1 ear for 1 week.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So, and I'll say that was, then later I was discussing with my colleagues and they said that, hey, come on, you're not supposed to fix that. on top of your neck. You cannot do that on your head. I mean, it's so dangerous. So that is one of the challenging physically. But if somebody approached me for such a scene now, I'll say that no way, you cannot fix that. Blood balloon on my head. No, I already suffered. Narrowly escaped from a disastrous to being a one year dumb. So no. So yeah, that was one of the scene which came to my mind when you asked me that question.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
So we've got one more Johnny, Omkar. Hi, Omkar.
Yes.
Hi, will you please unmute your
Yeah,
for a while?
yeah, sure.
Sir, he is one of the leading finance consultant in Pune and
Hi,
also
Omkar.
key event strategist, leading with many
Oh.
brands.
Oh, lovely. Awesome. Nice to meet you, Omkar. Hi.
Hi, same here.
Hmm.
How are you?
I'm fantastic, yeah. Just in quarantine, enjoying the quarantine days.
Hmm.
Same here.
Hmm. Actually, Omkar sir want to ask one question that he posted me. So you can
Yeah.
go for it, Omkar. Hmm.
Okay, just a moment.
Yeah, look at the preparation of finance professionals. They are always ready with
Yeah.
notes and something like that.
I know.
So I just wanted to ask, what is the actual work of brand ambassador apart from the advertisement?
Wow, the way he
That's
began.
a very good question. Brand ambassador is basically, I'll say, he's an influencer. He carries the brand image within himself. So when you sign with a brand to be a brand ambassador, you are responsible for that brand, which is anything related to that brand.
Okay.
You cannot deviate from your personal lifestyle you are maintaining before that signing, because the
Okay.
brand must have approached you. They must have observed you for a time. They must have thought that, okay, this guy is fit for our brand. Then they came to sign for us. And we are not supposed to deviate from our lifestyle or whichever way we have been moving through our life. So we need to maintain that even after the signing the contract with the brand. So whatever the brand demands, you have to carry out that. You must have. We had a lot of examples nationally and internationally, positively and negatively regarding brand ambassadors. You must have seen some companies that terminated the contract with the brand ambassadors because they have deviated from the expected lifestyle of the brand, which can hamper the image of the brand. So acting in an advertisement for a model or an actor, that's a 1 day job or 2 day job. And the only responsibility with an actor or a model after acting in an advertisement is that he's not supposed to act with a competitive brand for the upcoming 6 months or 1 year or 2 years based on the contract.
Okay.
Other than that, he don't have the tensions of a brand ambassador. He can live the way he wants. That's the point which came to my mind. Yeah. Hope I answered your question.
Absolutely right. And
I like to quote an example of Tiger Woods, who was the brand ambassador of Accenture. And Accenture terminated when that allegations came against him. The moral allegations came against him. So one person is supposed to maintain his stature, his morals, his influencing capabilities, which is social commitments when he becomes a brand ambassador. Yeah.
okay.
Sorry, I cut your question. Yeah, Rohit, please. Sorry, Omkar, please.
One more question I just wanted to add. How to manage your stress during the events while hosting?
Oh, that's a very good question.
Because that's the panic situations. Because a lot of 10 people are talking to you something like this is not done, this is done, this is not done. So
I know. 110%, I can understand your question. So how much you prepare before entering into the stage, you can hear your heartbeat. I guarantee you.
Absolutely right.
Still, I've anchored live events. I've anchored live TV shows, but still, when I get onto a stage, I can hear my heartbeat. But
every time every time there will be a different stage.
Yeah. So one thing, what I do, what I've experienced is that once I stepped up into that particular stage, the particular platform, took the mic, and what I do first is I have a complete look of the audience. I take some 20 seconds to have a look, smile and look around, and you definitely you will catch some positive smiling faces.
Absolutely.
Among the crowd.
Absolutely right.
And those smiling faces will give you the energy to start. Before that, inside the green room, I look into my own eyes in front of the mirror for 10 seconds.
Okay.
These are the only two things I do before hosting, and it relieves me a lot.
Great.
Yeah, I hope I answered your question.
Yes. That's the really valuable point you have shared.
Thanks.
Yes,
Thank you.
Before proceeding to next question, I received one request from Snail. She wants to ask some question.
Yeah, Snail.
Because Snail, yeah, will you please unmute Snail for a while?
Yeah. I think.
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. You're audible. Yeah, Snail.
I want to ask you that when you started your modeling career.
No, I couldn't hear that. Can you repeat the question, please?
When you started your modeling career?
I will say I'm in this industry for the past, say, 8 years.
Oh.
Yeah. So, but I was, I'm a management consultant too, in addition to being an actor. So I was working with a multinational company. So I was handling both, right? My job as well as my modeling career, acting career. So then I understood that I need to focus more on this. So I'll say that even I started before 8 years, for the past, say, 4 to 5 years, I'm pretty serious about it. Before that, I was doing the weekend acting and, whichever suits me, sort of, I won't go and grab an opportunity and things like that. Yeah, so you can say that, yes, for the past 5 to 6 years, I've started my acting and modeling career. Yeah.
And have you gone through the struggle at the first time?
Absolutely. अरे स्ट्रगल के बारे में तो यार देखो struggle is meant for the people who don't have a godfather in this industry, right? हमारे लिए कोई godfather नहीं है जो हाथ सर के ऊपर रख के bless करने के लिए. So nepotism का तो हमारा आजू-बाजू में नहीं है कोई nepotism. So we have to struggle, showcase our talent at the right place, to be at the right place at the right time, to meet the right people, take the right advice from the right people. I have gone through a lot. Yeah. I mean, I can write a novel for the stories or the life experiences I had the past 5 years. The people have tried to cheat me. I was on the verge of, like, for example, just to give an example, one person has casted me for a feature film, for a Malayalam feature film. This is a negative story, which is part of struggle, but positivity mein aa jata hu usme. I've taken 1 month leave from the office, packed all my bags, purchased my own costumes. I went to Kerala. शूट के जस्ट 2 दिन पहले उसका कॉल आया था मुझे और मुझे बता रहे थे कि अंकित ऐसा है कि we have a small financial situation. Can you please contribute 20 lakhs so that we can start the shoot, and we'll have the contract signed and all. You don't worry about the money. You will get it back once it is released and all. But for me, that was quite unprofessional. Okay, I'm not saying that because there is nothing wrong for a person who is producing a movie or who is financing the movie to ask financial help from a person who is being launched. It happens, but it should be done in a proper way. The actor should have been informed later, saying that, dude, this is the criteria we are considering for this particular movie. We'll be taking financial help from the main actors, and we'll have the proper contract. The profit will be shared or whatever. So that should have been a professional way. So this I couldn't digest. So thank God I could think at that time, and I could take a good decision saying that I said, sorry, no, I'm not into that. So it was quite alluring, quite attractive project. How I'm saying that a lot of people are being cheated in that way too, unfortunately. Yeah, that was just one of the story of my struggle. Then I used to carry my portfolio album, the first portfolio album, to walk through the streets of Bollywood. Like there are a couple of places where all the audition happens in Mumbai. Oshiwara, Aram Nagar, Andheri West nearby. So I used to walk and then knock the doors of the studio saying that, sir, I'm fit for the role. Do I have any role? And I used to get a lot of negativity saying that, no, you're not fit, you're not fit, you're not fit, you're not fit. I'll say that, I mean, I could do a lot of ads and a lot of projects till now just because I was keep on doing what I used to do. I never stopped. मुझे पता था कि कोई नहीं है मुझे हेल्प करने के लिए, मुझे खुद करना पड़ेगा जो भी करना है. So करता रहा, I used to keep on doing it, and one day I got Kotak Mahindra. I think after around 30 rejections and 30 audition rejections. ऐसा नहीं है वो knocking करो तो hundreds रहेगा. So I got the first TV commercial. Then once I got one commercial. Using that, I used to pitch myself, and then other commercials, other projects, feature films, web series. Yeah, that's how. So I can keep on talking about my struggle. Huh? I can say that still I'm struggling a bit. So I can keep on talking about for days.
We are ready to hear that one. But before that, Snehal, would you like to ask some other question? Hello.
I think she's not
clear. I think we lost her.
Yeah, we lost connection, I guess.
Okay. Let's proceed for the further question. Adrisha, do we have another question from the audience?
Yes, we have.
So let's continue with some interesting question.
Right. Okay. So Ankit sir, आपका on screen name कब change हुआ?
That's a good question. My original name is Unni Krishnan Madhavan. Okay. It's a typical Malayali name. Okay, so anybody hears that, they know that, hey, bang on it. So Mallu hai. Unni Krishnan Madhavan. Mallu hai. You know, everybody knows that, right? So there are two things. One, I didn't want to typecast. अच्छा ये मलयाली बंदा है तो ये मलयालम रोल्स के लिए फिट होगा. तो वो जो इनिशियल बायास वाला फीलिंग मुझे निकालना था for whoever hears my name. Second, it's a big name. It's often said that you need to have a neutral name and quite what you can say easy to grasp name so that people can remember you. Aisa funda somebody has told me, and I took his advice and went for the change. I think I changed the name 4 years back. Yeah.
Okay.
Using that, definitely through that astrology, numerology thing, I have consulted one expert for that, and I changed my name. Yeah, and I could see the difference. Definitely, yes.
Great.
Would you like to ask some question? Because we lost you in between.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you want to ask some question? Yeah, please go for it.
Hello.
Yeah, please don't hesitate, sir. Please clarify from your end. She is shying a little.
Nehal, bindas पूछो यार. Whatever questions you can ask me.
Okay. अगर मॉडलिंग करना है तो स्टार्टिंग में क्या करना पड़ेगा? बिगिनर्स क्या करना पड़ेगा?
My first question is, are you interested in modeling or are you interested in acting?
Actually, in both.
Both, right?
But I don't have the experience of acting. I have experience of modeling, little bit
of modeling, right? So
ये contest के runner बोल रहे हैं हमें little bit experience. Suniya sir.
That's not a small thing. Congratulations for that. So modeling, basically, you can classify broadly, divide into two parts. One is RAM modeling. Okay, one is RAM modeling, and one is modeling for commercials. Okay, for modeling for commercials, you need an acting ability to act. Okay, for RAM modeling and for other still modeling, still picture modeling, print shoots, you don't require an acting. You just need to fit a basic expressions or maybe 4 or 5 expressions and have that deadpan face, and you just need to face the camera. You know it. I don't need to tell you about the RAM modeling. Be confident, chin up, chest up, walk straight with the rhythm, straight, go back. That's the way it's choreographed, right? So that's the model, RAM modeling. That's fine. Even I've done that. So, but for acting, for the other modeling, that is for acting in commercials and web series and feature films and TV and all, you need to have that acting ability. Okay, in order to find whether you have that acting ability or not, I recommend you to go for some good reputed workshop. No need to go for a course for paying enormous fee and all first. No, shuru mein aisa mat kijiyega. Go for workshops which who they charges minimal fee for, say, weekend workshops. There are theater workshops. There are workshops conducted by good acting teachers. You contact them, attend workshops. So you'll get a vibe of that. Then you can take a call where you stand. Okay, from there, your contact increases. You'll start meeting people with similar interests. From there, you'll come to know about, hey, what are the institutes? And then you contact the alumni from those institutes who has passed out from their institute. How was I teaching in that institute? Because it's an investment. Acting is a career. So you need to seriously invest on you. It can be physically, mentally, and financially. So you have to think pretty deeply before that. So I hope I answered your questions. First, you need to have a nice portfolio. I'm sure I'm not talking about that. You'll be having that already. Second, for acting, you have to attend some workshops to get a vibe of that. That's what I recommend.
Okay. We are glad to hear your answers, sir. Before moving to next question, let's welcome another guest in our network, Mr. Azam Sheikh.
Hi, Azam.
Award-winning entrepreneur. Yeah. Host, will you please unmute Azam along with this video?
Yes. Yeah, done.
Basically, Azam is
done
for his startup Titanate. So he is also one of the talented engineers like you.
No, can you please repeat? I missed your last sentence.
Yeah, he is award-winning entrepreneur.
Okay, awesome.
So he just took. So he is one of the toppers from CYP. Yeah, Azam, will you please join us with your video so that?
Yeah, just a second.
Our guest will just say a hi.
Hi, Azam here.
Hi, Azam. Hi, Azam.
Hi, good. Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Just busy with all the webinars since morning on the team meetings and all.
I understand. I mean, I'm sure, our life, the world will be completely different after the lockdown and COVID. There is no doubt about it.
All the organizations are trying to rebuild their models, business models, and the way they are approaching the users and all that kind of things are happening. Our organization, we have a startup called Titanate. So we help the unorganized automotive sector to be digitally efficient. So we have a product on mobile and web as well as, and we help these local garages to create digital job cards, invoices, payment collection. So we digitally transform these local garages and bring them as a structured, organized way. So that kind of, we are across.
That's really good.
Thank you. We are across 40 cities in India now. We have more than 4,500 plus garage owners and 25 CRs of transactions going on through our platform. So it's good to hear the
that's good, because I think that's an untapped region, right? Unorganized automotive sector. It's really good. Good.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love to see you. And this is my first session to join with Prachetan. And actually, I love to see and help you. That
even this is my first session with Prachetan.
Great, great. There are lot many firsts happening with this digital media. I think.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Great, great. Anyways, you continue
I
with
would like to
the,
add
that.
one thing.
Yeah.
Azam is the first person who offered a jingle. Who offered first
Yeah,
jingle of
absolutely.
my advertising career.
Oh, lovely.
Yes,
Lovely.
yes. That was the best jingle that we had, and we are still actually humming that jingle with our existing employees too. That was the first one, and it was very fantastic. I think he's very talented and had a good understanding of the words. That actually fantastic word.
That's good. Good.
Great.
Lovely, man. Lovely.
Please go on. Actually, I'm not sure that how it's going on. I'm just trying to be as comfortable as it is.
No, it's going pretty interesting. I'm getting good questions. Very good questions. Yeah.
Great, great. Good. Go on. I will just wait here and we'll try to ask some more as I get a vibe of what is happening here.
Sure, Azam. Sure. Agree.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Prachetan. Thank you.
Yes. Before moving to next question, one of our attendant, Chetan, had forwarded one question to our host, Adrisha. Adrisha, will you please read it out on behalf of Chetan?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So the question is, if someone wants to start a career in media, be it in anything at the age of 25, how one should approach his goal, and should one quit everything and give a full try or continue with career?
Okay. When you ask media is a very broad word, very broad subject. So can you specify which part of, because media can be television media can be, when you say it can be production, it can be direction, anything, everything is a part of media. Right. So what exactly is media? Mean by media?
Okay.
You are asking me in general or anything specific?
Writing media.
Writing media. Okay. Yes. If a writer want to start a career in media and he's having an existing job, I'll say that till the point he reaches a level where he get the expected financial benefits or a level, he should not quit what he was doing, because writers are a very few blessed people in media who can do their job along with whatever they're doing. We actors cannot. I cannot sit in front of a computer and write a mail to a management and act. I cannot do that, right? But writers can do that. Writers have plenty of time after they don't need a particular set to write something, right? They can sit anywhere and write. Why? Because Mr. Hari Kumar, who is one of the top horror writers, horror genre writers in India, one of the top selling author, he's my close friend. So we discussed this particular point a lot with him. So that's the reason so this is one of his point. I'm talking on behalf of him. That till you reach a particular level, if you're having a job with you, no need to quit initially. You write, approach people, whether you're writing script for web series, films, or you're pitching for advertisement agencies, or you're writing your own book, do it in parallel. And once you reach a stage where you can say that, hey, now I'm in a stage, I have publishers for my upcoming books. The people are waiting for my books to get completed, and having enough sources. People are waiting for my scripts. He can completely concentrate on that. Till then, I don't recommend. But for the other, what you can say, other sectors in media, say for example, actor or directors or cinematographers, it's very difficult for them to have two career at a time. Yeah.
Yes. Before moving to the next question, I think Onkar sir want to ask something. Onkar, are you there?
Yeah,
he's there. Yeah, Onkar.
I just wanted to ask, how do you feel when you see yourself in the pop-up ads?
How do you feel?
When see yourself into the pop-up ads.
Oh, I feel so happy. I feel so happy and excited. You know, hey, it's me. Like child-like, because let me tell you that. We are dil to bacha hai ji, you know, we are always child at heart, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, what's wrong in saying that? I'm so happy when I see myself in the pop-up ads. Even today I just opened one of the YouTube and I find a couple of ads of mine and I was so happy.
Good. I see from your face.
Actually,
You'll get a reminder of your struggle behind that, getting that ad or auditions.
You know, absolutely, yes, sir, absolutely. So I feel so blessed, so happy, and I feel so blessed. The gratitude. You know, it's not easy to get selected in a Bollywood ad.
Absolutely right.
Okay. I don't know whether there is any question related to auditions and all. Then I can answer and I can explain how it happens. In order to get into an ad, the steps you need to, or the ladder you need to climb, it's a different ballgame altogether. Because ad industry is only one of the industry where the pure talent and luck is honored. यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि आपका मामा है ad agency में आपको role मिल जाएगा, नहीं चलता. यहाँ पे the final 3 models or actors who are finalized for a particular brand ad, they will be showcased in front of minimum 4 to 5 people, a panel of 5 people. That includes the person from agency, the director, the casting director, the marketing head, maybe the writer or the concept person. In front of them, the final 3 people's work, their auditions will be showcased, and from them, 1 person will be selected. And to get into that final 3, there are multiple shortlisting processes. You get into first 20, then 15, then 10, then 5, then 3, then 1. So definitely when you see yourself in a pop-up ad, you will feel blessed and good. Yeah.
I would like to add one more question into this.
Yeah.
How do you manage your expenses during your crisis time?
Manage my expenses?
Yeah. How do you manage?
Oh, that's a pure question from a finance guy. I can understand that. Okay. With the crisis time, I cut down my luxuries. I just stick to my necessities. That's what I do.
Great.
Yeah, that's my basic funda.
Okay.
Yeah.
And who is your biggest motivation coming into this profession?
Acting.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a bunch, a list of people, starting from Al Pacino to Kamal Haasan.
Wow.
Yeah, so Kamal Haasan is when you talk about South India, Kamal Haasan is the person whom I adore, and I really follow his footsteps. And Hollywood, then first name come to me is Al Pacino, then you have Brad Pitt, Leonardo DiCaprio, there are a lot of people. And Indian, Amitabh Bachchan ji, there are a lot of people there. I mean, if I name them, there are legends. So it's a different, a lot of people. Yeah.
Right. Because many times what we have seen, there are a few people who are the motivation for the transformation.
Absolutely. I understand that.
I mean, I ask you, who is your motivation?
Yeah, we have grown up by seeing the films and work of these legendary actors.
Yes.
And we have gone spellbound, right? You know, we're dumbstruck many a time saying that, oh my God, how they do that in front of the camera? They live in front of the camera.
Yes.
And there are a lot of difference between the Hollywood actor. There are different kinds of respect that goes through. For example, for a Brad Pitt and an Al Pacino, it's great. They are fantastic actors. They're legendary actors. But you must have noticed that they do maybe 1 or 2 maximum films per year.
Right.
They have got that entire time for them to prepare for that role, transform themselves, dedicate completely themselves to that role, get into the skin of the character and present it. Right. That's not the case with Indian actors. अरे एक टाइम पे 2-3 मूवीज करते हैं लोग
हाँ, ये नहीं तो वो नहीं तो वो.
Still they do amazing job in front of the camera. You know, so there's a huge difference. है ना, बच्चन साहब का जो पीक टाइम पे वो कितना पिक्चर्स करते थे एक टाइम पे. Same thing with Mohanlal sir और Kamal Hassan sir during their peak time. They used to jump from one set to another. सुबह एक फिल्म के लिए काम करते थे और शाम को नाइट शूट के लिए दूसरा फिल्म के लिए जाता था. And they bag national awards in between them. So you see, so अलग-अलग respect है. Yeah.
अपने यहाँ पे तो वही बेसिक टेंडेंसी वही है. इफ प्लान ए इज वर्किंग, नहीं वर्क हो रहा है, प्लान बी को शिफ्ट करो. नहीं, बी नहीं हो रहा है, सी को शिफ्ट करो. फॉरेन कंट्रीज में वो एक ऑब्जर्वेशन है, प्लान ए तो है तो ए पे ही स्टिक है.
Absolutely agree with you.
Absolutely. नहीं होता वो तब तक वो स्टिक रहेंगे उसके ऊपर.
I know, and absolutely. Yeah.
तो अभी आप यहाँ पे एक ज़ैद है, प्रेजेंट है, उन्होंने एक क्वेश्चन भेजा है आपके लिए कि कैन अ शायर और अ पोएट कैन बी एडेड इन दिस फील्ड, एक्टिंग फील्ड?
Why not? Anybody can be an actor. Anyone can be an actor. Acting does not have any relation with the profession he does. No relation. We have fantastic examples. We have police officers become good actors. We have doctors have become good actors who does not have any much educational background has become good actors, and super educated people has become good actors. So it's all about the passion and the talent you have.
Right. True. So I have one more question. What are the most common scripts you heard during auditions?
Common scripts in the sense?
Most common scripts you heard during auditions.
No, I have not faced any repeated auditions till now. The scripts I've done for auditions are all different based on the character I wanted to play or the character which I was expected to play. So there are, for what happens in and the auditions for ads are different from the auditions for films and web series. For ads, what happens is that that's something very interesting. For ads, it's like we have 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds to sell that product.
Right.
Okay, so एक या दो पंचलाइन रहेगा और उसके साथ आपका जो एक्सप्रेशन, इमोशन which is required for that brand need to be expressed. You don't have that length and breadth for doing your craft. No, उतना ही लिमिट के अंदर आपको बताना पड़ेगा. ये एडवांटेज भी है, डिसएडवांटेज भी है.
Okay, right.
Okay, so what happened is as an actor, I have a limit for spreading my wings. Okay, तो मुझे बताया जाता है कि ये स्क्रिप्ट है, आपका ये कैरेक्टर है, ये प्रोडक्ट है, this is what need to be reflected in your act. So that will be one of the brief which I get. So we'll be actors doing the audition accordingly. Okay. In the case of a web series or a feature film or a short film or whatever, where an actor is required, they will send you the script because उसमें dialogues वगैरह रहेगा ना, बहुत रहेगा, because one or two paragraphs. They will give you the background of that scene, background of that person, and what that person is communicating on that particular scene. You will get much more liberty in the case of such auditions. And you'll be and you'll have that liberty to move around and do whatever you like to do within that particular frame. So that's a huge difference between an audition for an ad and audition for other series or films.
Okay, so I have one more question. How to handle depression as an actor?
That's a very good question. Superb question. Depression, actors are one of the most unfortunate group of people who face depression in the society. There are a lot of reasons for that. One, you may not get the type of work you are looking for.
Okay. Yes, that's true.
Second, if you are a struggling actor, You know that you want to become an actor. But somehow, sometimes you don't have any idea how to reach that. Because your talent, your work, your passion, it's a lot of dependency on others. Right? There are a group of people who are judging your act and talent. Unless they approves, unless someone likes your craft, you won't get an opportunity or go ahead, right? So, किसको पूछूं? भगवान से क्या करूं? Sometimes कितना भी prepared होके आप audition दे देंगे, you will not be get selected. There can be multiple reasons for that. Maybe your look may not fit to that character. Maybe the director will be having a completely different look or a person he was looking for. But for an actor, अरे मैं तो जबरदस्त audition दिया यार, मेरे खुद के आंखों से आंसू आ गया, but मुझे मिला नहीं. You cannot blame anybody. You cannot do that unless the casting director, because they are the ultimate people who decide, because they want the role to give to the best person which suits them best, right? Say for example, for the film, let's say Dangal, Amir Khan ka super hit movie Dangal. Example. Can we imagine? The casting was so perfect. It was done by Mukesh Chabra. Can we imagine anybody else for any of the roles in that movie? No. You cannot do that, right? It was so perfectly casted. So just imagine how many people must have attended the auditions for each role, other than the main Amir Khan and other roles, and so especially for the girls' role and all. Multiple number of auditions and selected them. Right? So definitely the 50% of the people who didn't get through, they'll go through depression. अरे मुझे तो मिला नहीं था, मैं तो last shortlist में भी आया था, मिला नहीं था. No, you have to get, answering to a question, you have to get self-motivated. There is no other way. There is no other way. Self-motivation आपको करना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो no, you have to, and you must have heard even very successful actors talk about depression, like Deepika Padukone. She started that. Yeah, we will say that arey wo itna successful actress hai, she must have done, and she's not dealt of any financial issues. She's just one of the most highly paid actresses. Still, she said that one of the times she faced depression. So that means it's not about just not getting the role or not getting money. It's beyond that. A lot of layers into that, right?
Right.
And there are a lot of other factors like overwork. ऐसा भी होता है, overwork, inadequate sleep, not able to channelize your energy to the right path. A lot of reasons for that. Everything, एक ही medicine है, self-motivation. That's what I do.
Oh, that's great actually.
Yeah, reading good books, talking with good positive people, staying away from negative people. That's one of the things what I do. I cannot tolerate negative people.
I just want to add one question. So, what kind of book you wish to read it again? You want all the people to read when they are facing with such kind of issue?
That's a very good question.
Let's start with your favorite authors.
I've got a bunch of good Malayali authors with me, which I'm sure that you will not be able to follow. For English, one of the favorite authors talking about motivation is Robin Sharma, who I read. Then Paulo Coelho. Then these are the one of the top authors whom I follow. Whose books really gives you a good self-motivation, and it's like when you read some of the good motivation books, it's like looking into the mirror, understanding yourself, right? Am I going through philosophical? Anyway, I think I answered you.
Okay, so I just want to add one additional thing.
Yeah.
Do you believe on affirmations?
Can you explain that?
Means a lot of people are starting with self-healing or self-motivation through affirmations that I am energy, I am abundance, or something like that.
That
when you are acting like as an actor, you believe on monologues. So there are a lot of similarities according to acting and monologue. So do you really believe that affirmations may impact you in such a way?
Yeah, I wanted to know. I know what is affirmation. I wanted to understand what type of affirmation you are looking for. So there are, look, affirmations. It helps sometimes. Okay, so when I in one of the answering one of the questions, I before entering the stage, I said that one of my habits is looking into your eyes in the mirror, your own eyes in the mirror. That's a type of affirmation, right? When you are looking. Just a second, I'm just getting a call. Sorry.
Yeah, till then you can DM your answers. Yeah, is this audible right now?
Yeah, so absolutely. Continue. Yeah. So yeah, I'll say sometimes it works, sometimes it works, sometimes it won't. For me, sometimes it won't, because one need to be truthful to oneself, right? So before there are a lot of things, not just affirmations work. You need to have a proper practice and preparation and confidence along with affirmation to work. So for example, आप एक स्टेज में एंटर कर रहे हो, एक चीज होस्ट करने के लिए आपको कुछ पता नहीं है वो इवेंट के बारे में, आप कुछ प्रिपेयर्ड भी नहीं है, और जस्ट आप एंटर करने के बाद आई कैन डू इट, आई एम द बेस्ट, मैं आ रहे आज तो मैं ये कर दूं, वन नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा. You need to practice well. You need to be confident about yourself, well prepared. Then you give an self-talk saying that yes, you're going to apply whatever you practiced today. You're going to do wonders today because you have practiced well and you are confident because you have spent enough time preparing for this program. Then it works. That's what I believe.
Wow.
I have a
just
question.
Want to ask another question.
Yeah.
When we were talking about social media evolution and a lot of things, do you really believe it evolved actors too at the same time?
You mean to say the importance of social media?
Yeah, this is what topic all about today's discussion. Yeah. Because right now there are a lot of exploration for the actors too, but there are a lot of challenge at the same time. So will you please elaborate that thought from your point of view?
Social media has evolved a lot for the past few years, and it is definitely helpful for an actor. More than an actor, social media helps a person to be an influencer. He can influence a society positively. That's what I am looking forward for. There is a responsibility for each and every public person to the society. One public person cannot escape from the society. मैं actor हूँ, मैं मेरा काम कर रहा हूँ, that's it. No. There are thousands of people following you. So you need to be responsible to the society. That's what I feel. And social media is a fantastic platform which helps an actor or an influencer to interact with his followers or the society. For example, even government approaches the celebrities to pass on good messages to the people, right? I think that's the, like yesterday, there was a news like Salman Khan's Twitter account touched 40 million followers, right? So if he delivers a government's message, it's guaranteed that okay, out of 40 million, maybe 10 million, maybe out of non-Indians, maybe 30 million Indians will see that. Okay, so that's one of the major positive impact that social media has got with the actors, especially. They have been transformed to an influencer, not just an actor. In previous पुराने ज़माने में क्या होता था? Actor ही होता था. You know, they can express their viewpoint only through what you can say, magazine interviews or radio interviews or television interviews. That's it. Not now. Now सुबह he feel like whatever he will just type 2 lines. That's it. The entire society change हो जाता है. Just a second, I need to connect the charger. Just give me a second.
No problem.
So Azam, be ready. You are going to ask the next question.
कभी-कभी हो जाता है कि या whatever preparation you do, the basic चीज़ आप भूल जाते हैं. अभी देखो, ऑडियो सेलेक्ट किया, ऑडियो चेक किया हमने, वीडियो चेक किया हमने, बाकी सब चेक किया, चार्जर कनेक्ट करना भूल गया।
बड़े बड़े लाइव चैट्स में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है।
That's point Aditi for you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, I
Sir, will you please
Azam.
make an appeal to our audience that please don't hesitate to ask the questions?
Yes,
because a lot of people are sending personal messages to us. Is this worth question to ask you or something like
Bindas
that?
पूछो यार, I'm all yours. I'm all yours. Bindas पूछो. मुझे if I'm not able to answer, I'll note it down and I'll get back to you.
Right.
I'm having a diary and a pen with me.
Hello, sir.
Great. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Who is this?
Hi, sir. Yeah, Rohit Chande is there.
Okay, Rohit. Rohit.
Yeah, Rohit, बोलिए.
Okay. May I ask some silly question? One silly question.
Wow, that's a great start. He will begin with, may I ask one silly question?
No questions are silly, Rohan.
Sir, I want to just know your point of view in what is the difference between satisfied or successful?
This was not a silly question.
Philosophical है, deep है. It's like एकदम hard है भाई, ऐसा वाला question है ये.
फिर भी वो आपसे आंसर मांग रहा है.
सक्सेसफुल लाइफ में प्राइवेसी नहीं रहती है और सेटिस्फाई में अपने को सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं किसी भी चीज से. जस्ट आई वांट टू नो योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑन दैट.
देखो, सक्सेस completely depends upon individual perceptions. Rohit, आपका मन में जो success है, that will be different, completely different from my point of view of success. Right? Just to take an example of my father, he was a government employee. He's now retired. He's enjoying his retired life at hometown in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. According to him, success is a 9-to-5 job, government job, having 2 kids, to make his 2 kids successful, get married, and to have a nice, peaceful, enjoyable retirement life with his wife. That's the success formula of my dad. I respect him more than anything else in the world. He's more than dad, he's my friend. But my success formula is completely different from him. I cannot digest this 9-5 job, point number 1. I cannot digest the fact that settle ho jao. Settle ho jana kya hota hai? I cannot digest that. Okay. Then I want to be in front of the camera, do as many roles I can, which gives me satisfaction. Definitely, I know that this particular path towards the success, what I am thinking about, which has got a negative points too. Like you rightly mentioned, I lose my privacy. That's okay. I'm ready to face that. That's okay. सब चीज एक साथ नहीं मिलता है ना. तो if you have 100% success, हाँ तो रोहित आपको, हाँ बोलिए ना, आपके मन में क्या है रोहित? आपके मन में सक्सेस का फॉर्मूला क्या है, या आपका मन में?
सर, इस बात पे कंफ्यूज था मैं, इसलिए क्वेश्चन
अभी क्लियर हो गया
था मुझे. हाँ, क्लियर हो गया सर. या जो प्राइवेट लाइफ होती है ना अपनी, अभी मैं एक टीचर रोबोटिक्स में वर्क करता हूँ, लास्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट का प्रोजेक्ट करके देता हूँ. तो जब भी मैं मार्केट में जाता हूँ या कहीं भी जाता हूँ, तो बहुत से लोग पहचान वाले अगर मेरा आउटफिट अच्छा नहीं होता तो वो बोलते कि सर आपने कैसा आउटफिट पहना. यार मेरी प्राइवेट लाइफ भी तो है ना, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
No, this example I will say that you are a social animal. A man is a social animal. So हमको थोड़ा सा वो सोसाइटी के what you can say थोड़ा नो पे चलना पड़ता है ना.
So इमेज मेंटेन करके चलना पड़ता है मार्केट में जाने के बाद.
So what you do, Rohit?
Sir, I'm a
what you do basically?
ANTC इंजीनियर हूँ मैं. रोबोटिक्स की कंपनी है, SP रोबोटिक्स में वर्क करता हूँ.
Okay.
Robotics and automation.
But he owns his own company.
Oh, lovely, yaar. He's an entrepreneur, yaar. So if you have your own company, you're an entrepreneur. You will need to meet people. You need to be extrovert. आप तो public figure है.
Yeah, but there is an all-time possible नहीं है ना.
तो आपको तो वो तो यही तो है ना, इसके साथ तो आ जाता है, पैकेज है. आपको एंटरप्रेन्योर भी, सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर भी बनना चाहता है आप, और वो प्राइवेट लाइफ भी चाहिए. थोड़ा मुश्किल रहेगा.
I just want to say something. यहाँ पे जो हमारे करड़ में जो अभी एक कृष्णा हॉस्पिटल है ना, वहाँ पे हमें रिसेंटली एक मशीन बना के दिया है, सैनिटाइजर जो टनल है वो.
Okay. Oh, lovely, yaar.
Yeah.
So आपके पास you'll be having your own Facebook page and website and all, right?
Yes, I have.
Good, yaar. You should always publicize all these good works what you do.
And Rohit, don't forget to share your Facebook page or something relevant to your business in this comment box to all of us. We will have a look on it.
Definitely.
Same thing is applicable to Azam sir also, because we have such a precious entrepreneur into this discussion. It's big honor for us, in fact.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Great to meet you.
Actually, I had the question
Awesome.
for you. Actually, as you know, there is a transformation in the businesses happening, like in the cinema industry. So you see that there are all the multiplexes are shut down. So there is shifting of users or the consumers from multiplexes to the consumption at the mobile or the digital level. So do you think that you will also have to align your future or thought process with the web series that are coming in the future, or are you working with some of them? Any thoughts on that? How you are going to plan out things with the change in the behavior of the end consumers?
Yeah, the funniest part is that it's a valid question, and it's a very serious thought at this particular point of time. And we have been yesterday itself. I was talking with one of my director friends, and we were discussing the same point.
Okay.
Whether this corona is killing theaters or not. That was our subject of discussion.
Okay.
We were talking we were having a teleconference. So we were discussing the same point. So for me, it'll take a bit of time for the people to go back to the multiplexes and theaters.
Right.
To shed the fear of corona. The people will be more relying on the safe options like digital platforms.
Yeah.
And there'll be more movies coming up for the digital platforms. Like for example, then a Hollywood movie called Extractor, it's got released yesterday in Netflix.
Yes, Netflix, absolutely.
Yeah. And my latest movie with R. Madhavan sir, Rocketry, it was supposed to get released this July 5th. We were having a lot of expectation about that. We're planning for the premiere.
Okay.
And now we don't know.
Yes, absolutely.
Because a lot of post-production work, VHF work is pending, which need to be completed, and it need to be. So we are analyzing the psychology of public. When they will be ready to go to the theater, then only we will be able to release our film.
Yeah.
So we are afraid it's going to take 1 year.
Yes, absolutely.
For the normalcy to come back.
So are you going to wait till then, or just trying to the strategy of being on digital? Yeah.
No wait at all. So for me being an actor, any creative opportunity, I'm grabbing it.
Yeah.
Anything.
Great.
Anything. So it doesn't matter for an actor. It doesn't matter. He's acting in front of a laptop camera or a mobile camera or a red camera or an ARRI camera. Doesn't matter. He just need to creatively express. That's it, right? So whether it is a digital platform or it's a theatrical release or it's just a mobile made movie, doesn't matter. I'm not going to wait. Nobody should wait for anything. Nobody should wait. These all things will happen, yaar. Hote rahenge ye sab.
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hope I answered. Thanks. And today, just to add, in addition, just to want to add, I was reading somewhere there, even the multiplex owners and theater owners are contemplating within themselves regarding how they need to reopen maybe they may reduce the number of seats inside the theaters to give a particular gap between two people. So they are thinking about a lot of things here. That's what I keep on saying, that the world will not be same after this lockdown.
Absolutely.
A lot of changes going to happen.
Will not be.
Right. Right.
Thank you.
Yes.
सर ओमकार सर आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं.
हाँ पूछिए ना.
ओमकार सर.
How you manage your family? How you manage your family when you miss your anniversary, birthday, or any important dates?
ये वो सब इतना सीरियस नहीं है. मतलब ये एनिवर्सरी, बर्थडे तो हर साल में आता है ना. एक साल में जोड़ दिया तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? It's more important to what you can say, to follow your dreams than such formalities. And family and close friends, they are the first people to understand this particular thing.
Okay.
है ना. वो लोग को यार देखो अपना यार है तो क्या फोन करके यार देख इस बार तो मिल नहीं पाएगा, नेक्स्ट टाइम देखते हैं. So who understand यार ओके यार चलेगा. Got it right. So I don't give so much importance to birthdays and anniversaries if I have some other job related to my career or this one. No, I don't think it's a big problem at all. वो shift करना है. Valentine's Day देखो, according to me every day should be a Valentine's Day. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि फेब में वही दिन पे वैलेंटाइंस डे मनाना है. जब भी दिन मन करे वैलेंटाइंस डे मनाते रहना बस.
वो तो है. And how you experience to work in a marriage bureau ad and your actual married life? I have placed a Yorker.
See, no, yeah. I mean, in front of the camera, you're a character. You're a character. आपका personal life के साथ कोई संबंध नहीं है. Completely different person. Completely different person.
Great.
कोई संबंध नहीं है.
You and I felt that.
No. But I like the question anyway.
Okay.
Okay.
Azam, would you like to add something into this?
No. Actually, go on. He has already answered that thing. I was just thinking if he considered this webinar as a camera also, or are you acting in front of this, or this dialogue call?
No. I need to hear an action before I do an acting. Nobody's saying that.
Would you want to say your acting? Would you like to say some commercial? Because he just started the same question. Do you have commercial related to some marriage bureau ads that you did before?
Oh, exactly. Let me just see that. Let me just see and share my screen. One of the, I think I've done for Shaadi.com. Let me just see.
Oh.
There are a lot of married people join this webinar, I think.
Oh, okay.
Because look at the smile on the face of guest participants. Those who want to hide their smile.
First share the screen, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
I'm just blowing it up and I'm just...
You can narrate how many years before you shooted this. So
okay, this is a commercial for Shaadi.com. It's like a... there are two types of commercials, okay? One is TV commercials, television commercials, and one is digital commercial.
Yeah.
So there are some major differences between one. A TV commercial will be 10-second, 20-second, maximum 30-second commercial because the time slots for the commercials are pretty costly. So it will be very crisp. You cannot express an entire story in a TV commercial. Meanwhile, for a digital commercial, you must have seen digital commercials which are around 5 minutes before you play a YouTube ad or something, right? YouTube videos. You can see YouTube ads which are around 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes. So this ad which I am showing is a Shaadi.com's ad. It's a digital ad. It's approximately 2 minutes. It's 1 minute 55 seconds, wherein which a story of a girl is being showcased. Okay, I'm acting as her husband. The point from she. Every girl is her father's daughter, right? And for a girl, her parents are everything, and the most difficult thing for a girl is to move away from her parents after marriage, especially in Indian scenario. I think so this is this particular commercial touches that particular soft spot. You can see now, and I'll understand.
Okay.
Hello. Hello.
You can hear, right?
Rohit, we will take your questions after this commercial. Yes, sir. Please go.
Can you? Is it audible? The commercial is audible for you?
Yes.
Cool. I'm starting it, right?
Okay.
Drop the same link to chatting box so that people will remember this video forever and ever.
Right.
So that was the commercial for Shaadi.com.
Wow.
You guys like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very much.
Yeah, drop the link in the comment chatting section also so that people will restore it later on.
Okay. Sure. 1 second.
That's great. So what was the timeline at that time? So when was it shot and not?
It was shot for 2 days.
Okay.
2 दिन का shoot था ये, और that's it. And I love the script. So that's one of the and it is what you can say, very good crew, and we had a fantastic time together shooting this. So
great.
Yeah,
I was just watching this, and I just thought came in my mind just to ask you. Means, what do you think that down the line, after 10 or 15 years, you see yourself as or at some position or something like that? You have something in your mind?
I'm very clear. I'm very clear on that. I want to be a successful, bankable actor.
Oh,
I'll add the word
that word is more important, I think.
That's very important. You cannot say that's just successful. You should be a successful, bankable actor, where which producers come forward to put in money on my projects. Because they should be clear that I can give the money back.
Yeah.
It's always should be a win-win situation. ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ मुझे act करना है कैमरा के फ्रंट में और मुझे satisfaction मिले बस नहीं. It's a win-win situation. It's a give and take, right? Everything in life is give and take. Yeah, so I'm very clear on that.
Great. Thank you. Please go on, others.
Yeah, Chetan is asking one question. Will you endorse a brand which you don't believe in?
No. No. I won't do that. Because I told you, right, when you become at that level to be a celebrity and the brand considers you as an ambassador, you will first become a responsible person for that.
True.
That's a responsibility. Being a brand ambassador is a responsibility. It's not a joke. Yeah. So I won't do something which...
Right. Rohit wanted to ask one question. He was waiting for a little longer, I think, during the conversation.
Yeah,
Rohit.
So, Rohit, is this audible for you? Hello?
Yes.
Because he waved some hand.
Yes.
Please go ahead.
I just want to ask you, how you maintain your acting passion in academic life?
You mean to say how I keep on sharpening my skills? That's your question?
No.
Yes.
He just wanted to ask, during your academic life, how you maintain this passion? Means during while taking
academic life.
Or something. Yeah.
Okay. I was always a stage person. I always wanted to be on stage. I get bored when I watch something as an audience. No, I wanted to be on stage. So whichever opportunity I got to express myself, I used to grab it. During my engineering time, the most popular competition was Bollywood dance competition, cinematic dance competition. I used to have my own dance troupe in the engineering college. I did my college engineering in Mangalore University. So we used to have intra-college competitions, inter-college. I used to take my team to different colleges and used to perform. Then engineering college में dramas वगैरह होता नहीं था. We used to have tableaus, mime shows, and certain competitions like variety entertainments, wherein which the team has got 20 minutes and you need to do whatever to entertain the audience, and the best entertainer will get the first prize. So I used to completely participate in that. I used to imbibe a bit of mime into that, dance into that, special effects into that, and used to make a story out of it. So that's how I used to carry with my passion. And we used to for nobody, but we used to make small skits and dramas within our group. We used to meet during weekends and we used to take a particular story and we used to enact among us. So that's something which we used to sharpen our skills during our academic time. Yeah. And whatever creative things we used to do.
I just wanted to add something into it. Hello?
Yeah, audible.
Yeah, Omkar.
Yeah. What you do for your voice exercises to maintain your voice quality?
Yeah, voice quality. Basically, there are a couple of things we need to take care. One, you need to stay away from pollution.
Okay.
So being in Mumbai, it's very difficult, but I make sure that I won't get into any polluted environment. I try to avoid. Second, I avoid anything which is extremely cold.
Okay.
Like no ice cream, no frozen food, or no curd straight from the fridge. Some of the things I stay away to make my voice. And otherwise, these are the basic things which I follow. Otherwise, my exercise happens during the work itself. It's a part of the job exercise because I give my voice to regional commercials a lot. I've done around 500 plus commercial voice projects.
Oh,
yeah.
That's really
so if I give voices to commercials and for celebrities, even today and yesterday I was recording the beginning of this interview, answering to one of Aditi's question. I was saying that today and yesterday I was recording dubbing for MS Dhoni for one of the Boost commercials.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's an exercise. I keep on doing work, even voice related work. So yeah, on the job practice and training ho jata.
Okay.
That's really cool.
ओमकार सर, आपका कोई और क्वेश्चन है?
No, that's okay.
ओके सो अंकित सर आपका फेवरेट वर्क अभी तक कौन सा रहा है?
मैं बोलूँगी फेवरेट वर्क अभी तक आया नहीं है, आने वाला है।
अच्छा
जो भी वर्क किया वो सब फेवरेट है यार, सब बहुत पसंद है मुझे बिकॉज आई लव बीइंग ऑन सेट. So when I enter a film set, I just feel like, oh man, I've just made for this. I'm born for this. थोड़ा पागल को पागलपंती तो चाहिए तो हाँ. So favorite, I mean, my feature film, Rocketry, it's so favorite because I was acting with Madhavan sir, R. Madhavan. So heartthrob, yaar. I like him so much, and so that is a fantastic memory of being a part of Rocketry because we shot for around 5 days in Mumbai and around 10 days in Serbia. That's a country Eastern Europe. So we were together for 10 days in Serbia, and it was amazing. Because he's the main actor and he's directing the movie. A lot of things to learn from him, and oh my god, because I'll never forget those 15 days which I've done for that particular movie. So that's one of my favorite till now. And definitely, one of my other favorite is definitely working with SRK Shah Rukh Khan in one of the commercials for.
Is this Western Union Money Transfer commercial?
Pardon?
Was that Western Union Money Transfer commercial?
Yeah. Western Union Money Transfer.
Yeah, we are excited to hear about that.
Yes.
Yeah, so that was like when I got selected for that ad. I said that it's with Shah Rukh Khan. I said, "अरे यार वो तो Shah Rukh Khan will talk about the product at the end. हम लोग कुछ करेंगे शुरू में." ऐसा कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं था. अरे कौन सोचता था शाहरुख खान के साथ काम करेंगे, छोड़ो. It is in the one of the beginning, it was about 3 years back, 4 years back का ad है वो टाइम पे स्ट्रगलर था. अब अभी भी हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है. तो वो टाइम पे तो हालत खराब था यार स्ट्रगलिंग का. So the shoot was in Bandra Mehboob Studio. तो महबूब स्टूडियो मतलब वो एक लेजेंड्स का स्टूडियो है यार. महबूब स्टूडियो अमेजिंग फिल्म्स वहाँ पे शूट किया हुआ है. And it's in so I entered. I was half an hour before the call time in the sense the time wherein which actor is supposed to be on the set. So we were around we were 3 male models and 3 female models in that. So we 3 models were in one vanity van and 3 female models in another vanity van. So Aarti, the first instruction saying that, hey, you guys are going to be with Shah Rukh Khan. No unnecessary talk. जो बोला हुआ है, that's the only thing you need to act. No tantrums. Mobile phone switch off रहेगा. No selfies. You're not supposed to talk with him anything personal. You cannot approach him. मतलब ऐसा यार ऐसा इंजेक्टिंग चालू था तो हम लोग को डर गया यार. So you got it right. First the assistant director comes, next the costumer comes, next the chief associate comes. तो एक 5-6 लोग आके बोल के गया, look, we don't want any trouble from you guys. SR के है, कुछ डेकोरम मेंटेन करना है, ठीक है वही यार. एंड उसके साथ साथ थ्रिल है. ऑलरेडी मैं सारे दोस्तों को, सारे फैमिली वालों को सब बता चुका है. I'm going to act with SRK करके. So everybody's waiting, ये सेल्फी भेजना. So मेरा पूरा इंटेंशन तो पहले ही वो खुश हो गया कि you're not allowed to take mobile phone instead. सेल्फी तो छोड़ दो. तो वो तो गया. तो entered and it's like before the shot everybody will rehearse the shot. When the camera, extras, we actors वो पूरा shot rehearse करेंगे. शाहरुख का जो पॉइंट रहेगा वहां पे some assistant director will stand and act for him. सब होने के बाद शाहरुख will be called. Okay, so he's having his own vanity van that Dilip Chabria designed, customized vanity van. वो देखने के लिए अरे शाहरुख खान का vanity van तो अलग ही है. तो so he just walks in, man, with his entourage, like there were 10 personal people with him, starting with his personal manager, his personal costumer, hairstylist, his assistants. तो 10 लोगों के सेंटर पे शाहरुख खान आ रहे. हम लोग तो बस
Goosebumps आ रहे सर यहाँ पे.
Exactly. Imagine कर रहे situation बस वो कैसी रही होगी.
Once in a lifetime opportunity नहीं होना चाहिए और भी होना चाहिए opportunity. But वो टाइम में तो पहली बार था. Oh my God, he came. He was such an energetic person. Let me tell you, such a jovial kind of a person, such down to earth guy. जो हमको जो बताया गया था ऐसा ही नहीं था. आते ही हम लोगों को शेक हैंड किया मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि मैं यार एक हफ्ते के लिए हाथ धोएगा ही नहीं मैं. Oh my God. He said that hey, what's up? हम 6 लोगों से he asked our name and that's it. हम पूछा then we went to the shot. So as soon as he come in, his position will be told by the director himself and that's it. So 1 or 2 takes में खत्म होना चाहिए because that means that we have been practiced and trained so much that because of anybody else mistake वो retake नहीं होना चाहिए.
Right.
वो minimum time he will spend on the set. ऐसा रहेगा. And उसके बाद एक still भी था. वो still में unfortunately that still didn't get released. I was having a lot of expectation in that. उसमें ऐसा है कि my costume got changed and I'm wearing that still was meant for the Gulf countries. Wearing a Muslim attire for that Muslim festival, which white and having that typical cap, and we are just half hugging. It's about the Western and money transfer. So that was the still shot. Still was being done by Avinash Govatrikar. He's the brother of Ashutosh Govatrikar, sir. He's a famous Bollywood still photographer. He was doing this, I remember. So we have taken that. So I got a few minutes to talk with him. Like he asked me what's your name. So at that time I was Unnikrishnan Madhavan. I didn't change my name 4 years back. So I said, sir, I'm from Kerala. Oh, you're from Kerala. Then we have a couple of like Mammootty, Mohanlal, because he knows them personally. And so what to do? Are you a full-time actor? I said, no, sir, I'm having a job and I'm carrying out acting. Oh, very good, very good. So we had a couple, 4 to 5 sentences we could exchange. Yeah, that was an amazing experience. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much for the response, sir. We have 15 more questions which we are taking in next week episodes.
Oh, lovely. Oh, it's already 6:30.
Yes.
The time flies.
Exactly.
Awesome.
उससे पहले हम एक rapid fire लेंगे आपके साथ.
Oh my God, I'm not prepared for this. Anyway, shoot.
Okay. So I start. Mohanlal या Mammootty?
Mohanlal.
Okay. Kanyakumari या Kovalam?
Kovalam.
Okay. Ads or films?
Films.
Okay. Anchoring or modeling?
Anchoring.
Unnikrishnan Madhavan or Ankit Madhav?
Ankit Madhav.
Best actor in negative role or best supporting actor in comic role?
Best actor in negative role. You mean to say with whom I like?
Yes.
Joker? Our Joker, Jacqueline, the latest one.
Yes. Okay. Shadi.
Yeah.
Yes. Shadi.com or Western Union money transfer?
Oh.
आपके practical question है sir.
ये तो practical question है यार.
ओंकार sir.
I'll answer is Western Union money transfer for Shah Rukh Khan and Shadi.com
for the shared with the brands, I think.
Yeah. So both. I'll say both.
Okay. That's it.
This is being politically correct, I think.
Yeah, that's it.
So before leaving this, sir, would you like to advise our viewers about the corona and something like that? Because share that thing you are experiencing right now, because you have one building 500 meters away which is completely quarantined and still you are appearing for this video interview. Please share this to our viewers.
Actually, I'll say that government is absolutely correct. We need to आंख बंद करके government का instruction follow करना चाहिए. There is no doubt. I don't move out of my flat's door without the mask. I always have my mask with me handy. Never do that. Second, social distancing you have to keep here. You have to keep, because I was discussing the same thing with my doctor friends around the globe. One of my friends, I have a couple of friends, and my cousin sister herself, she's a doctor in Tirunelveli. One of my close friends, Dr. Sunil, who is working with National Health Services in London.
Okay.
So last week we friends were having a teleconference with Sunil, London. So we all discussed the same thing. It's the key: the social distancing, no handshakes, use the mask. Even if you need to step out to purchase the grocery or fruits or vegetables, enter the home, put down the material what you purchased near the kitchen, straight away go to the bathroom, remove your clothes, put it in the washing machine or put it in the bucket, take a bath and come out. That's what I do. Difficult है but करना पड़ता है यार. बहुत करना पड़ता है because I stay in Powai, Mumbai, and one of the building what Prachit we were discussing the same. 500 meters away is quarantined, and we got coronavirus after 1 kilometers, and this is almost a red zone. So we follow that very strenuously, and I urge everyone to do that because otherwise there is no other way. It seems pathetic. We are blessed that we're not reached that stage. I was hearing some voice clips and video clips from Malayali nurses from Italy, Spain, and UK, because there are a lot of Malayali nurses in hospitals around the globe, you know that. So they have sent desperate messages in the social media, and I was hearing that, and you won't believe they were not having enough life-saving equipments in the hospitals in the so-called developed countries. And suppose there are 5 patients coming and they have only 1 ventilator with them, they select the patient. They're forced to select 1 person out of that 5 who has got a high potential to live. So definitely, so about 60 to gaya first isme. Then baki jo youngster, sabse young hoga, sabse healthy hoga, they will select him to get into the ventilator. So we are blessed because of this lockdown and the strict measures of the government. We are in at least in a safe situation than the other countries. So we need to stick to what government says. That's what I want to say. But we will definitely come victorious. There is no doubt about it. True. Just a matter of time. We'll bounce back.
Yeah. Well, before leaving this trip, please convey your followers that you are going to back on this show in next week, because they are being little panic. They are asking so much questions in our personal chats.
Yes. They are.
Why you are not taking some kind of questions? We are flooded with a lot of questions.
I'm really so happy to be a part of this. Come on, don't be so formal with me. I'm always available. Just tell me the time to be there in front of you. I'll be there. It's as simple as that.
Thank you.
How many times you want, I'll be there.
Thank you.
And it was so pleasurable. I never thought that the time will pass so fast. It was so interesting. The questions were really good, and I was really enjoying answering your questions.
And sir, what's your experience? Because a lot of these people are not belong to acting field or media field. Still, they are joining in this panel discussion.
So I'm so happy and blessed to know that people are spending time to know about me and to know about my craft, and they're happy to hear my experiences. And you never know, some of the people get motivated to be an actor. You never know. So
Hell, would you like to add something into this?
You want to say, like, for example?
I want to say thank you for all the answers. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. My pleasure.
Azam sir, would you like to add something into this?
I'm just thinking, how do we take a digital group photograph? I was just thinking like that.
Yeah, please go for it.
Me too.
Yeah, we will take it on gallery view. You can take it on gallery view.
Yes.
So that
once again.
There are so many people.
Chetan and Rohit, please open your video so that you will be a part of such a precious memory.
Chetan.
Hi Rohit. Hi.
Hi.
I think I asked Chetan to start his video. 1 second.
Yeah. Yes. Because audience is too great, because they survive till the end.
Exactly. We are
It was really nice interacting with you guys. It was really nice.
Thank you.
And most important, each body is an achiever in their own life. Still they join us.
Absolutely. Absolutely agree with you guys. Absolutely.
Would you like to add some lines for Rohit Shinde? Because he's from small town, still he managed his career in such a way.
Oh, lovely, man. Awesome.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Chetan.
Good.
I think we have the time to take a photograph and let's sign out then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Chetan, you can do the honors. I think. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you so much. I think we will love to have you again, and we'll ask you more and more questions, and we'll try to know you better.
Oh, it's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. Thank you, Aditi, Snehal, Omkar, Prachitam, Rohit, Azam.
Before leaving, please make a simple announcement that people make avail this interview later on the YouTube channel of Adrisha Poetry.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we are doing this for the YouTube channel, so we must make an appeal for like, share, and subscribe. Because we forget that she invited us for the show.
I think he needs to say that official acting in his official acting skills. Please like, do subscribe. Don't forget.
Yes.
Okay.
Nice guys. Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you, host. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks, Aditi.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Take care.
Okay. Bye. Bye.